Sa pagpapatuloy ng Hataw Balita ngayon, lumabas sa investigasyon ng Criminal Investigation and Detection Group o CIDG na planado umano ng ang kontrobersyal na putukang nangyari sa Senado noong May 13 hanggang sa makaalis si Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa ng madaling araw ng May 14. Ayon kay CIDG Director Police Major General Robert Alexander Morico II, bagamat magkahiwalay na insidente, lumalabas na bahagi ito ng planong pagpapaalis kay Bato sa Senado.
Let me just say na, two incidents po yon.
Yes.
They are related. Hindi po yun incidental. It's not a mere hitch ride. It is plano, well-planned, well-coordinated, kasi yung may backup vehicle pa.
Major General Morico, may malaking papel si Senator Robin Hood Padilla sa pagtakas ni Senator De La Rosa.
Siya ba yung master?
Mastermind na ka. By indispensable cooperation, ma'am. It will not happen without him.
Tukoy na rin umano ng CIDG ang 6 na individual na sinasabing kasabwat ni Senator Padilla sa pagplano at pagpapaalis kay Senator Bato. Kabilang dito ang security officer ni Senator Padilla na dating opisyal ng Armed Forces of the Philippines.
You can see her doon sa CCTV footage nung habang, I think even the press that assigned in the Senate usually sees her na kasama. And she's the one na may nakasuot ng bulletproof vest doon. She was a former AAP personnel. And yeah, but the AAP, hindi ko but yung background niya lang, we are asking about the background. And foreign service officer po siya dati from the AAP. Ang employment niya, pumunta po sa Department of Foreign Affairs as a foreign service officer. Later on, naging security officer and staff ni Senator Robin Padilla.
Kaugnay nito na irekomenda na ng CIDG sa Department of Justice ang pagsasampa ng kasong obstruction of justice laban sa 6 na individual.